February is American Heart Month. To kick off the month-long education and awareness campaign, nationally known cardiologist Dr. Joanne Foody spoke to a crowd of nearly 400 on February 1st in Grand Rapids, Michigan. The event was sponsored by Spectrum Health Meyer Heart Center Women's Healthy Heart Program. In her presentation titled Getting to the Heart of the Matter, Women and Heart Disease, Foody dispelled myths about risk levels of heart disease in women. She described heart attack symptoms and taught women how to lower their personal risk for heart disease.
Dr. Foody, what are the most common myths women seem to have about heart disease?
The common myths that women have about heart disease are, first, that they don't get it. So the real misperception here is that women tend to think that breast cancer is their leading health threat, but unfortunately heart disease is the #1 killer of women in this country.
The audience was very appreciative of Dr. Foody's message.
Oh, I especially like the part where she talked about the risk factors. Those at low risk have these characteristics, and those at medium risk, and those at high risk. So we could really put ourselves in one of those areas and then know what we need to do about it.
I think a lot of women were talking more about medication, and I enjoy how the speaker make emphasis on diet and exercise, the natural way.
We brought 3 of our graduate students from the Van Andel Research Institute that are studying for their PhD in cellular and molecular biology, and their course director, Rich Hay, felt that this would enlarge their understanding of translational medicine. And so it was amazing as we watched all the risk factors and the preventions, how much biochemistry and cell biology were reinforced tonight. So we brought our students, but we learned so much more.
Tell us if there are other women in your life you plan to tell what you learned tonight.
Yes, my sister, I have to really get on to her. She's 3 years younger than me, and she's afraid of heart problems, and she doesn't even like me talking about mine. I have had open heart surgery 2 years ago, mitral valve repair.
I think women are talking more about women's health to one another, and we're much more open about it now than we were before. And so I will definitely be sharing this with many friends, and we'll be having this discussion.
And tell us if you plan to do anything different with your own lifestyle after hearing tonight's presentation.
I started walking yesterday, so I will continue to do that. I know that I feel so much better when I exercise.
Oh, there's definitely lots of things I need to do about my lifestyle. Yes, tonight I'm planning to do something different. Hope I'm still having that feeling in the morning.
Well, Heart Month is a really great opportunity for women to take that first step about reducing their heart disease risk, taking care of themselves, their risk factors for heart disease, and making sure that they take that action needed to reduce the risk of heart disease.